Assalamualaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel ArTglee. Canson 1557 160 GSM a sheet, A3 size, 20 sheets, drawing sketch paper. It is good for repeated erasing relatively well. It is not canvas or homemade cotton watercolor paper. It is a high quality drawing cartridge paper. The 160 GSM approximately 98 IB weight means it is considerably thicker and stronger than ordinary sketch paper. Its surface has a slightly grainy, toothy textures, not too rough and not completely smooth. This texture helps pencils and other dry mediums grip the paper and hold pigment. What can you use on it? It works very well with graphite pencils HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B, etc. Colored pencils, charcoal, soft pastels, red chalks, and fine liners, felt tip pens, some types of drawing inks, mechanical pencils, shading and blending. Yes, you can use a very light watercolor wash, but if you use too much water, the paper may buckle or become wavy, and the surface may become damaged. The colors may absorb unevenly. If you want to create proper watercolor paintings, 300 GSM watercolor paper would be a much better choice. This sheet is not made for acrylic paints, markers, alcohol markers, or wet markers. The best features of this paper: its light grain and 160 GSM weight make it specially suitable for pencil artwork, realistic sketches, colored pencil artwork, charcoal, pastel, shading and blending. Thanks for watching.